Struggling to choose the ultimate AI-powered code editor? Let's dive headfirst into the ring to decide whether Vscode or Neovim reigns supreme. First, Vscode boasts a massive library of AI extensions readily available through its marketplace. Powerhouses like GitHub Copilot offer real-time code completion, while Tab9 learns from your coding patterns to predict your next move, and IntelliCode provides AI-assisted refactoring, making it simple to implement new features into your programs. Now, Neovim, known for its minimalist approach, leverages the language server protocol and plugins like Coke or other LSP clients to tap into AI-driven capabilities. These extensions unlocks powerful tools that helps you to work, like code completion and refactoring. User interface is another key distinction. Vscode offers a user-friendly graphical interface, making it accessible to beginners. Neovim, on the other hand, provides a highly customizable, terminal-based environment, favored by those who prefer to optimize their workflow and utilize the keyboard. Customization is where Neovim truly shines. While Vscode allows for adjustments through its settings menu, Neovim's configuration files enable more inalienable deep customization, allowing you to tailor the editor to your exact needs. This deep customization allows for more precise and specific implementation of AI as well. Ultimately, the best AI code editor depends on your preferences and coding style. Vscode offers a beginner-friendly experience with easily accessible AI extensions, while Neovim provides unmatched customization and control for experienced users willing to invest the time. So, which one will you choose to supercharge your coding?